How to log into your blockchain account. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to sign into your blockchain account. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's jump right into the video. The very first thing that you need to do is go ahead and open up your web browser, or if you have the blockchains app, you can just open the app as well. And once you are on your browser, you can just go ahead and search for blockchain or blockchain.com. If you enter this URL directly, you will be taken to the official website. I'm just going to tap on it to get inside the website. Now here it will ask you for your cookies access. And once you land on the homepage, you have two options. You can either enter your email address here to sign up for it, or if you already have an account, you can just tap on the top right corner, and then right at the bottom you'll find two options: sign up and login. You can just tap on the login option to log into your account. Once you are on the login portal here, you'll have to enter your email or your wallet ID. I'm just going to enter my email right here, and you just have to enter your password. And once you do that, you'll just have to check your device or your email to sign up for your account or sign into it. And once you verify your two-step verification, you should easily be able to log into your account. And it's as easy as that. And as you can see here, I've gotten an email right here as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you on the next one.